for the sake of everyone in South Africa, just give Mkhwanazi whatever he wants, guys, because that man is this close to revealing secrets about us as citizens as well. Like, I don't feel safe because that man knows everything, guys. Like, and the scary part, he has proof of everything that he's saying. So as a citizen, it was great when this was starting, but now, hey, that man knows too much. Before he reveals secrets about us as citizens, please, guys, give him whatever he wants. Give him his political task team back. Give him his police dockets back. If that man wants Chiefs to win the league, please make his wish come true so that he can go back to KZN. Ever since Mkhwanazi started taking work trips outside of KZN, it has been chaos in this country. Like, that guy was just chilling in the KZN, doing his jobs, dealing with criminals in the KZN. But I suspect at some point it became too easy for him. Like, the criminals in KZN were not challenging him enough. So he decided, you know, let me go on a nationwide tour. Let me bless this country with my expertise. Let me go and fry bigger fish, or in this case, fry bigger cats. And ever since he started doing that, we've known nothing but chaos in this country. I know we use this phrase, fixing the country, a lot, but guys, Mkhwanazi is literally fixing the country right now. Like, if ever there was a South African of the Year award, give it to that man. Right now, I'm voting for him. Like the PSL Awards, the South African Gospel Music Awards, the South African Music Awards, the Metro FM Awards, the SA Hip Hop Awards, the South African Film and Television Awards. This year, for your biggest award of the night, give it to Mkhwanazi. I don't care what your criteria is. That man by himself this year alone is the footballer of the year, the main actor and director of the year, the artist of the year. Like, we cannot thank that man enough for his service.